Hello, it's me again. Not really sure why I got sent this on. It's Palomar 41446s. Everything seems to be working good out, working great. These are good old workhorses, man. These were the stuff. Quick little test review. Let's look on a reflect power to start with on high. Cheeseler, half watt. 500 watt slug, average power. 1, 2, worldwide, over 200. Peak, 41446s. Worldwide, 500. 1000 watt slug, PP. Worldwide, 500. Let's see, medium. Worldwide, 400. Low, worldwide, 200. Back to high. Worldwide, 1446. Input plan's good. Worldwide. This thing's good to go, man. Unbox it back up, send it back to you. Maybe you just want to check it. Alright, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10, 018 Beavis. Bye.